It's raining, it's monsoon, which made me realize that winter is near, which also made me realize that I'll be craving a lot of noodles this season, which also made me realize that my chili oil is over, which is why we are making chili oil, bitches. And for that we need chilies, more chilies, sesame seeds, garlic, a jar, oil, and duck. I like my chili oil garlicky, so we'll need all the garlics in the world. So go get them and peel them quickly. Cooking has always been therapeutic for me, and one of the reasons for that will be this. Make sure that your garlics are minced well, and now add them in a big bowl where we will also be adding the chilies, sesame seeds and the oil. Chop the chilies well and make sure to add enough so that your chili oil is hot and spicy. And then one by one dump all of them in a bowl, set aside, and meanwhile in a pan add some oil and heat it. Do not overheat it or it might burn out all the flavors in the garlic and chilies, so make sure of that. Oh yes, well, make sure to cool the oil down a bit before completely adding it to the jar. And that's done. It smells heavenly and I can't wait to try it out. Do let me know in the comment section how you like to pair your chili oil. Do like and subscribe if you like the video. Till then, take care. Bye.